Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we're gonna fix this Xiaomi smartphone. This is an Xiaomi X3 Lite. Oh wait up, this is an Oppo Find X3 Lite. Let's get to it. So, spelling correction aside, this is an Oppo Find X3 Lite with a problematic display. As you can see there, we can still turn this smartphone off in a proper way. And we're gonna start off this repair with the removal of the back cover. We're gonna slice through the adhesive. And as you can see at this angle, you can see the cracks underneath the glass. Some cracks doesn't really show up when the smartphone is off. You can see them at certain angles because the crack shines through the black backdrop of the display. And here we have a brand new display. We're gonna replace it completely. But first, we're gonna remove the cover for the daughter board. This is the first time that I've seen an Oppo with the connection of the display near the daughter board. And here we're gonna slice through not the adhesives but clips, so we're prying it off the front display. What I like about this design is it's easier to open, although it's really nerve-wracking if you're not replacing the display because it can introduce risks of cracks when you pry it off, especially with a metal tool like that. And now we have removed the cover for the back in general. This is a one-piece plastic, and here's the connection for the display. And now we're gonna bring back or replace the display and attach it, and we'll try to turn this on if it will work. If it works and it turns on normally and the touchscreen is working, then we will continue with our disassembly because the replacement display is working with the board itself. Practically, you can use the smartphone in this configuration, but it's not any more portable and safe to use. This is just for testing. It's cool though that you can do this with an Oppo device. Some smartphones you can do this. You have to remove everything and hope that you've done all the steps correctly, and then you will know if the repair is successful or not. We're gonna detach it and then detach the broken display. We'll still need to be very careful because we're gonna reuse the chassis and the board, and with that we're gonna clean it off from the gunk that is the old adhesive. And here we're gonna fit the replacement display if there's any gaps or if there's any dents or cracks on the housing. If there's none, we're gonna continue with the repair. So some rubber gaskets or bushings will be removed from the old display and transferred to the new one. Those are just covers for the earpiece, and we're gonna put some fresh liquid adhesive. You can see here that David is now positioning the replacement display, and then once this is done, he's gonna connect the display flex cable to the board and then close up the device. So we're almost done now. This is the easiest part of the repair, especially if you know that the smartphone is already 80% complete. We're just gonna put all the screws back into place. And if you have an Oppo Find X3 or other similar type of smartphone, especially mid-range or budget smartphones, it's still easy to find repair shops that can do them. If you have one, then you might want to consider repairing your broken Oppo device rather than throwing them away. You're gonna save yourself some cash, of course, and save the environment by extending the life of your smartphone. This one, the cameras are all working. And of course, that's David. He's so surprised that this is a successful repair. And I think this is all good now. We're just gonna put back the cover and then let the glue dry, and this is gonna be ready for the client. If you like this video, guys, leave a comment down below, like and subscribe to our channel. We pump out videos like this one, so to educate and to entertain you. If you find meaning to this, leave a like. Till next time, guys. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.